and follow with your outside rein. Follow, follow. Yes, elastic in your elbow, left elbow. Good. We cross the diagonal again. Look where you go, very straight, and we go down to trot around X. Okay, nice, and prepare for canter. Half halt, prepare and go. And big, immediately big. And lengthen a little bit, yes, and shorten. Think about the rhythm again. When you lengthen, it's not more quick, it's just bigger. So you really use your seat to do it. Sitting, sitting, yes. There, she's nice. And light, move a little bit your left hand so she really relaxes. Yes, that's better. Okay. Flex her a little bit more and we come in a big circle here. Collect and come in a circle. Nice. Be more elastic with your right elbow. Try to make her really jump in your hand. Keep in the circle. Now you do a few half holds. We collect a little bit more. Just see if she's okay. Flex her to the left. A little bit more flexing. Yes. So more elasticity on the outside elbow. Good. Flex her, yeah. Good. This is a nice collected. Now ask a few steps bigger and then a few steps shorter. Good. And back, very quietly and light. She has to carry herself. Good. Flex her a little bit more. Yes. And again, go. Bigger steps. That's it. And back. And again, collect and put her nose a little bit more to the left. Because if not, it gives the impression she's falling on the left shoulder. Keep the neck a little bit more here. Yes? Now, much better. And now collect a little bit more. Collect. And light with your inside and try to keep her a little bit more, yes, around your inside leg. That's it. Pet her, good girl. And trot. Good girl. That's it. Flex her to the left. She's very nice now. Yes, now straighten her and stretch her. Stretching, real good stretching. Good girl. And walk and pet her a lot. On this side, you really have to put her neck a little bit more to the left at the beginning. If not, she gives the impression she's doing this. Did you feel that on the circle? So really try to put the neck this side. Every time you feel she does this, pull the neck there. Even if it's horrible and it looks too much, you get this shoulder back. Yeah, it is in her mouth the problem, but it doesn't matter. You have to really correct it. And she has to know that every time she does this, you will take her there. So it's really a correction. Now she's much better on the mouth on the other side than this one. How do you feel her today? She's okay. Okay. We shorten the rein, we do the canter on this side, and then we'll see what exercise you want to do. We see how she is. Okay. Prepare for trot. And again, we pick up canter from the trot. That's it. And trot. Yes, prepare. And go, yeah. Keep on the outside rein, but very elastic. This side is okay now. Good. And longer steps and shorter steps. Yes. Good. Collect. Yes. Keep your hands. Okay. Keep your hands up and really sit. Keep her in front of you. That's it. And go. Lean back when she's okay. So she goes. She has to feel that as soon as you do this, it means go. Again, collect, collect, and go with your seat. Go. Not too long. Go. There she gets a little bit in a trouble. Take care to be very elastic with your outside rein, so she can go through. She has to. Okay, good. Now try to lighten up your hands, but sit. Good, good, and pet her. Good girl. Yes, and go. That's much better than the other day, no? Okay, shorten your reins, collect her again, just sit, stay behind her. As soon as she's okay, get light with your hands. Good. And go before she gets nervous. Go. Always feel when she starts to be stuck there, go on. Don't make her get upset about it. It's not difficult. It should not be difficult. Yes, good. And go again. And go again. Good girl. That's it. And we go down to trot, very quietly. Trot. Yes. And stretch her again so she knows it was okay. We're not mean to her. Very good. Okay. And we walk and we talk about what you want to do today. What kind of exercises would you like to practice? Huh?
You have seen her, then you can decide, make your...
If you want to make that difficulty about the canter, this difficult exercise you have, we can work a little bit parts of it, and then we try to do it, put it together. But let's say we will start with the flying changes, just sort of a serpentine or something like that, just to play with the flying changes, be sure she's okay. And then we start to collect and do the other part. But first I would like her to go through the flying changes, so you always can push her forwards and she changes.
So you want to start with the flying changes or a serpentine?
Yes, we can do one on each side on a short diagonal or something like that, each side, and then we do the serpentine. So we have the flying changes done. You prepare and you pick up canter wherever you are. Ready? Good. Okay, find the first thing to find is what collection you need. So it has to go a little bit more further than a normal collected. Push a little bit, yes, and change. Yes, very nice. Pet her, say it's good, yeah. Now the other one from F or from wherever. Find a letter and go straight. Good. Prepare, and when you're ready, go. Yes, and pet her. She gets a bit tense after. So extend a little bit, yes, that's it. And back. And again, a diagonal on which you do one or two, whatever, how you feel. This one is good. Collect a little bit and change. Yes, it's good, don't worry. Okay. On the long side you do one, and you go on in counter canter. Just one. Collect and change. Do a flying change on the long side and you go on in counter canter. Just one, wherever. Collect, collect and change. Yes, and keep her. Look up. Oh, she's good in a two tempi. Quiet, very quiet, keep her. Okay. So there we have our first little difficulty. Get her ready, flexed, prepare, and pick up. Good. And keep her there. Yes. Very good. Push her forwards and change. Push and change. Yes, better a lot. Okay. We cross the diagonal and one change. Just one. In this canter, think about giving with your new inside rein, the right. Give with your inside. Very good. Okay. Now we go on the long side again and we do one. Okay? Wherever you do just one and go on in counter canter. Think about letting, yes, very good. Keep it, very good. Keep the counter canter, very light and nice with your hands. Good. Go on, that's it. Very good. Now on the long side again, you will ask for one, just one. Clear and quiet. There. Sit and light. Yes, and light. Good. Very nice. We enter the center line and we prepare for a hold.